फोन गरेर मर्छ यो कहाँ आइपुग्यो अब फोन गर्छ यसलाई
ओइ स्टल हेलो
कहाँ छ ओए
Oh bro, wait for me. I'm coming. I'm on the way, bro.
वे के ओए वे भने वे के हो वे लिएर आउँछस् वे पनि त्यो वेमा छ अरे वे ल रहेको म आइज छिटो आइज म पर्खिरहेको बाटोमै त्यो म त
Hey bro, hey, I'm rich.
ओ आइपुगे आउनु पर्खिसक्यो घरमा काम कति छ जाउँ
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I forgot to speak Nepali, bro. Please talk in English.
Oh, you forgot Nepali?
Yes, I forgot totally.
You are Nepali.
But sitting there, I forgot everything.
Understand you Nepali?
Yes, I understand, but I can't speak, bro.
Go me home. To me home. Go. Let's go home. You drink water, na?
Yes, I drink water.
Okay. Let's go. Coke also there in my thing.
Okay.
We have to drink Coke. Okay.
A few minutes later.
Okay. There is my home. Okay. Rest for some time. Okay, bro. Rest. Okay. There you live in Australia, na?
Yes, I settled down there.
How many years you go there?
It's about 20 years.
Oh, 20. 20 वर्ष?
Yes.
What you bring for me?
Hey, there is tips for you, bro.
Give na.
Just take.
So hungry.
Just take it.
So hungry. Let's have, okay? Then we have to go.
You can have it.
Now let's go, okay? To my home.
Okay, let's go.
You teach me English. How to speak English, right?
That's simple, bro. You have to go school. Did you finish your school?
School?
Yes.
Yes. I have studied class 5 2 times.
Only 2 times?
2 times. In one class, deep school.
That's not good, bro. That's not good. I have completed my graduation.
What is graduation?
That's a big process. You have to study furthermore and more, and that's all.
College. No,
Yes, that college. Bro, I have to solve that teeth medicine. My mother is telling what we call that touch-me-not plant. Do you know that?
Touch-me-not plant. Yeah, I know. I have studied in class 5.
Oh, can you?
That buari jaro भन्नु म रातको दिन्छु म buari jaro.
Can you help me to find it?
Let's go. There is buari jaro.
Okay, let's go, bro.
नेपाली बोल्नु पढेर पनि Look, this buari jar slips down.
Oh, nice. Oh, yes.
We thought it will slip.
Yes, I know that, bro.
Oh, you know that?
Yes, I studied that.
Where you study?
At my graduation, I studied about that.
College?
Yes, at the college.
Or I will go your college.
Okay, come now, bro. Come to my room. I will show you my certificates and all the medals and
Certificate? What certificate?
Oh, that's a slip of paper and the written name of.
Kagaz.
Yes. For you that.
Oh.
You know the scientific name of this?
What? This body jar?
Yes.
No, I don't know. What thing I don't know? Nothing.
I know. I forgot. What called me, Mr. Purisa?
Mimi.
No.
Mimi.
No. That
Mimi sa.
Mimi Mr. Purisa something that like.
Mumusala.
No. Something else that.
Mumusa na mu. Samosa.
Oh yes. I think that's samosa.
Samosa pudo ka?
Yes, samosa pudo.
Samosa त यहाँ खान्छ हो त साला तँलाई याद पनि छैन त्यति समोसा यसलाई समोसा भन्छ बुहारी झार भन्न चुपो लागेर बुहारी झार समोसा पिउडी खाना
Yes, samosa.
Oh, samosa piudi. Scientific name of buari झार समोसा पिउडी.
Yes.
Okay, let's go home.
Hey.
Now I reach home. My home is there, okay?
Yes, your home is too far, bro.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Suitno rest stop there.
Okay, bro.
Ready for you. Coke is there. Let's go and feel tired. Do it, Sodax.
No. What is Sodax?
Tante.
What's Sante?
Not got.
No.
Not got in Australia.
What are you talking about, man?
Sodax, Sodax. Tante. Let's go. Have Coke. You don't know. You are baby. Let's go. My home is rich now.
Okay, bro. Let's go, bro. Are you okay, bro? Yes.
Here, bathroom is just like this. How much here?
There is very nice. The footpath all are cemented.
Cement.
That's the marble. Marble is put on from the above.
Marble. Hey, toll na. We play toll. Oh.
What you are talking about, bro?
Toll. Oh, yes, toll. Toll खेली ना पहिला हामीसँगै खेल्यौ त You forgot?
I forgot about that.
टोल हो इन टोल हो अच्छी लाग्दो 20 वर्ष अफ्रिकामा उता कता यु स्टे देयर
At the Australia, bro.
20 वर्ष अस्ट्रेलियामा बसे मोरा सबै बिर्सेर I will teach you नेपाली हो
Okay, bro.
नेपाली teach English to me,
Yes.
okay? Parky, wait.
What happened, bro?
I'm talking about Sodax na. This is Sodax. All will drink and dance here, party.
This is alcohol, bro. This is very harmful.
Sodax, salt cats, yeah, everybody will drink in party and dance. So nice is doing this.
We did not have it. This is very dangerous, harmful for health. Yes.
This is very good in party. Everybody will use. Let's go at Sunday Sodax is very beautiful here. This like alcohol is dangerous, but this is not dangerous to us. We will
Alcohol and that is same, na, bro.
not. This is 3XO. Yeah, chino. So we इधर ये मेरो घर हो. We reach.
This is your home?
We reach.
Oh, this is like my dog house, bro.
No. This is Bakra Khoro, goat house.
Oh,
Look,
yes.
Look,
That's goat.
Yes, goat is
I
there.
think that is dog, bro.
Just like we have goat here. Now you have to go and drink Coke. Let's go, Anna.
Okay, bro. Let's go. What are you telling about that scientific name of that plant?
What is that?
Yes, Tasmanian plant. Tasmanian plant.
Deep medicine.
Tasmanian plant scientific name. What are you telling about?
Oh, samosa puduka. Forgot you. You don't study college, graduate. You forgot. I 5 class. Study 2 times. You I am genius. You don't know. Go. Let's go. College, graduate. You forgot. I 5 class. Study 2 times. You I am genius. You don't know. Go. Let's go.